For our make project, we were making a gumball machine. And so, at first, we were going to make a gumball machine that looks like this. Like that.
But then we decided to make it easier, where a wooden stick would be placed into the bucket part, and it'd be cut out, so where the gumball would drop, you just turn it and it'll fall down the hole.
So it's a simpler and easier plan.
We wanted it to be this wide. See, it is 12.
Oh, hi! We are looking up prices for our materials for our gumball machine. These are buckets from Target, $2.99.
Oh my God, Mary.